Mistplay usually stops loading when the app cache is corrupted, the server connection fails, or background restrictions prevent it from starting correctly. By the end, you'll know why Mistplay gets stuck on loading, how to fix it step by step, and what actually prevents the app from opening properly. Start with the most common cause. Mistplay depends on a stable internet connection and clean app data to load its dashboard. If either one fails, the app can freeze on the loading screen. Now, explain the first fix. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out a connection issue. If Mistplay loads on one but not the other, the problem is your network. Now, explain the second fix. Close the app completely instead of leaving it running in the background. Then reopen it to force a fresh session. Now, explain cache issues. Corrupted cache data is one of the most common reasons Mistplay gets stuck loading. Now explain how to fix it. Go into your phone settings, find the Mistplay app, and clear the cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your account. Now explain storage behavior. If your device storage is nearly full, apps like Mistplay can struggle to load properly. Now explain what to do. Free up storage space and restart your phone before reopening the app. Now, explain updates. An outdated version of Mistplay can also cause loading issues. Now, explain the fix. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and update Mistplay to the latest version. Now explain server issues. Sometimes Mistplay itself experiences temporary server downtime. In that case, the app may not load no matter what you do. Now explain device-level conflicts. Battery saver mode or background restrictions can block app startup processes. Now explain what to change. Disable battery optimization for Mistplay so it can run normally in the background. Now summarize the core idea. Mistplay not loading is usually caused by network issues, corrupted cache, outdated app versions, or device restrictions. Most fixes involve restarting the app, clearing cache, and ensuring the app is updated and unrestricted. And in rare cases, it's a temporary server issue you can't control. One practical next step. Clear your Mistplay cache first, then restart your phone before reopening the app. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay fixes that explain exactly what causes these problems and how to solve them fast.